Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Nintendo Switch error code 10580190000. The error reads, "Your account settings have changed. Please connect again now." As per the research, the error comes when users try to connect online, especially while using the Play Online feature in games like It Takes Two. The connection fails, and both users receive this error code on their screens. According to our research, the error may be related to changes in account settings, cache issues, outdated system time, or EA account conflicts. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to restart your system. Once restarted, try again and see if the error still comes. If the error still comes, go to your console's date and time settings and set it to synchronize via Internet. Then clear the console's cache by going to System Settings, then select System, then select Formatting Options, then select Clear Cache. Then choose the user and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, restart the console and check if the error still comes. If the error still persists and you are having issues with an EA game, then go to your account settings on ea.com. Click on Privacy Settings and make sure all the boxes are checked, and then hit Update at the bottom right corner. Then try the connection again and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and see if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, make sure your Nintendo Switch system software is up to date. If there is an update available, install it and check if this helps with the error. If you still get the error, try changing your Nintendo account password and then attempt to connect again. At last, if nothing helps, try unlinking and then relinking your EA account. In many cases, relinking the EA account fixed the issue, so try this and check if this helps with the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.